Hello, children. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you? How is your day is going on? Okay. Today we are going to discuss about our social studies. Okay. And so see here. Okay. Fine. Uh, we are in the lesson name. Reading maps of different kites. We are in the lesson name. Okay. And what is it? We are going to see that. So physical map. I already told you that. Okay. How we are going to represent that? See, children. With the help of different types of colors on particular map, we are going to represent which is hill area, which is mountain area, which is plateau area, which is cultivated area or cropped area. Okay, we know very well about that. Okay, now we are in the topic measuring height on land. Okay, how we are going to measure the height on land? Okay, we are going to get know that. See, children, first of all I'm reading first. Okay, afterwards I will explain that. Okay, all height on the land are calculated from the sea level. Since all seas in the world are connected to each other, the sea level, the top surface all over the world is taken to be roughly the same. Look at the picture of Nimpur village given below to understand this idea. Children, what's the sea level, ma? Sea level is nothing but wherever the water is ending. Okay. For example, we have Indian Ocean. Okay. For example, we have that Arabian Sea. Okay. Wherever the beach area is, beach area, Goa beach and Vizag beach, we know very well about that. Whenever the waves are ending, the water waves are ending, okay, on that particular area, we will call it as a sea level. Okay, from there to we will measure the height of the particular land, mountains or land masses or anything which is height in, which is the highest in length. Okay, that is mountains or plains or hills or valleys. Okay, so like that we are going to calculate. Why? Because all over the world, all over the earth, the sea level is roughly same. Okay, not exactly same, roughly same. Why? Because in different continents we have somewhat little bit differences in sea level. Okay, not major differences. Why? Because all sea and oceans are covered in particular amount of distance only. It means proper height, on that proper height of the surface of the earth. Okay, they have covered. Okay, from there to we are measuring the height of a hills or height of a building or height of a mountains. Okay, so children, for example, I will give an example. We know Burj Khalifa. We know already Burj Khalifa. Where is Burj Khalifa located? In Dubai. Okay, which is the tallest building in all over the world. Okay, I think its height is 850 meters, almost 1 kilometer, less 150 meters less than kilometer. Okay, it means for every 1000 meters 1 kilometer. Okay, and the height of the Burj Khalifa is almost 850 meters. Okay, the height of the Burj Khalifa, how they have selected that particular height 850 meters based upon the measurement from sea level height. Okay, whatever the sea present nearby them. Okay, they have measured height from that particular area, I mean particular point of. Okay, from there they are going to measure height. Okay, that is called sea level. Okay, next here observe this. We are having this Nimpur village. The height of the particular mountain is, the whatever the greenery area is there, between 0 to 50 meters, that will call it as a Nimpur village. Okay, and the area between 50 meters to 100 meters, we will call it as a temple. Okay, the height of a temple is 100 meters. Okay, in which on not exact not like that. What is the height of the, what is the height of the particular temple means? How you are going to answer? The height of a temple is on the mountain 100 meters from the sea level. Okay, children, all of you observe this, the blue color. Okay, have you observed this blue color? Okay, here they given some blue color. Okay, this blue color indicates, okay, 1 minute ma. This blue color indicates sea level. Okay, from there to they are going to measure height. Okay, okay, from 0 to 50 village, from 0 to 100 temple, from 0 to 150 it is total height of the mountain. Okay, total height of the mountain. Okay, from sea level only they are measuring, but they are not taking below the mountain, they are not taking above the mountain, they are taking the height of a mountain based upon the sea level. Okay, the sea level is here. Okay, from here to there measuring height. Okay, it is clear, children? So like that, every mountain like Mount Everest or Kanchenjunga, K2, Dhaulagiri, Nilagiri, whatever the plains in Deccan Plateaus, Nilagiri hills are there. Okay, and that Aravalli ranges in northern India. Okay, these height of the particular Aravalli ranges, plains and mountains are based upon the sea level. They are going to measure from sea level of that particular area. Okay, but wherever the water bodies, I mean sea, are present in that particular area, from there to they are going to measure the height of the particular mountain or building or temples. Okay, now next coming to the showing height on a map. Okay, showing height on a map. How we are going to show on map? Look at the map of Numpur village area given below. Can you see that the map shows 3 height zones? Firstly, area which are between 0 to 50 meters height. Okay, the first area means the area which is greenery in color. Okay, the area which is greenery in color, that is showing that 0 to 50 meters. Okay, and which are areas which are between 51 meters and 100 meters, and then finally which are between 101 meters to 150 meters. There's any place which falls in the height zone 51 meters to 100 meters will have the height of 50 meters, but below 100 meters height is shown in different shades. Children, nothing to confuse here. Whatever the colors indicating that, here we will observe some light brown color. Okay, or dark brown color and some light pink color, not pink color exactly. Okay, we have 3 different colors here. Green color indicating the height is 0 to 50 meters. Okay, between the middle color indicating that some light pale yellow, not yellow, light pink. Okay, that indicating that what is that is indicating that, what that is indicating that the distance between or the height is between 51 meters to 100 meters, and the dark brown color indicates that height is 101 to 150 meters. Okay, from here to here 50 meters, from this color to this colors 100 meters. Okay, from here to height in up to total height it is 150 meters. Okay, that's the right. It is are you getting, children, what I'm conveying? Okay, we can identify with the help of that map, like from 0 to 50, 51 to 100, 101 to 150. Okay, and next, now look at the physical map of India or Telangana in our atlas or world map. Find out the ranges of height and colors for the places given below by reading the indexes. Children, I already told you that whatever you have mentioned in that particular map. Okay, you have to mention that particular color or particular letter or particular drawing. You have to mention mandatorily in the index point. Why in index point? Whatever the thing you are mentioning in the index, okay, whatever you have drawn on the map, okay, that whatever the things you have drawn on the map, that is indicating on the index. The index is informing you that this particular color is indicating this information, this particular color is indicating this information, this line represents the water, this line represents the mountain, this line represents the transport. Like that you are going to know by mentioning the information in the index point. Other than there is no use. If you are not mentioning anything, for example, you are just given the colors here. Okay, you just given the colors here like this, but you did not mention this area. What is the use, ma? What is the green color indicates that, what is the brown color indicates that you did not mention any information, you did not mention any height distance. Then what is the use? By seeing the simple image, what you will understood, whether we should understood a small drawing or whether we should understood any valley or any sea water. Okay, without informing anything on index, there is nothing. It means there is a useless, that is worthless. If you are mentioning everything in index, that is going to be get to know everyone. If you are not at all mentioning, that is useless. Might mean there is no information to understand that. you will give simply map this color, blue color to rivers, and red color to mountains, and white color to the snow mountains, and yellow color to the educational institutions, okay, black color to the roads, okay. You have mentioned different types of colors on map, but you didn't mention any information in the index. Blue color indicates water, red color indicates mountain. Like this you didn't inform on the index point. Then how the other people is going to the understand? It's impossible, no? That's why whatever the thing you have mentioned on the map, that you have to inform, or you have to write on the index. Then only we can, or other person can understand what we have represented, okay. Sorry, no, up to today, up to this topic only I'm going to reveal that. Why? Because you are not familiar with this online classes, I know that, but I'm trying to explain little bit. It is not a direct live interaction classes, no. Whenever we are in live interaction classes, we can understand very easily. I mean, I'm children, don't bother about that if anyone didn't understood that. Why? Because my throat is not I mean that I'm having some health problem, like my mouth is not working properly. That is the reason, okay. I'm unable to spell properly, okay. That's why I'm troubling a lot with my mouth, okay. So I'm trying to explain little bit according to my knowledge, okay. Whenever the app is going to start, on the time onwards I'm going deeply regarding subject, okay. Up to that, please cooperate with me, and whatever the homework I'm giving, that please do that. Only some people, Srija, Omkar, Vishal, and some Nabin, Kunbar, Rohit, some people are in giving that, but Chinmay, Sanjana is not at all coming that Jahnavi, and Pavan also giving the homework, okay, and writing the homework. Swati, Mahanya also giving that. Swati didn't give any work. So children, please do that, okay. I'm requesting each and everyone, please cooperate with me, okay, and I will provide proper information to you, okay. Thanking you, take care, bye bye.